Hello, this is Michael from English Runway. Today, we're going to explore 100 real-life English sentences that native speakers use every single day. I'll read slowly, then you just listen and repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. I just woke up and I need a minute to think. I'm making breakfast while I check my phone. I'm still sleepy, so I need a cup of coffee. I feel better now because the coffee kicked in. I'm getting ready, but I can't find my keys. I'm leaving now so I won't be late. I'm walking to the bus stop because the weather is nice. I'm on the bus and I'm listening to music. I'm almost at work, but I want one more song. I'm starting my day and I hope it goes well. I'm checking my emails while I eat a snack. I'm working slowly because I'm still waking up. I need help, but I'm trying to figure it out first. I'm talking to my coworker and we're planning the day. I'm taking a short break because my head hurts a bit. I'm going back to work so I can finish early. I'm eating lunch and I'm watching a video. I'm feeling sleepy, so I need some fresh air. I'm walking outside because I need a little break. I'm going back inside and I feel better now. I'm finishing my tasks so I can relax later. I'm almost done and I'm happy about it. I'm leaving work and I'm ready to chill. I'm going to the store because I need a few things. I'm checking prices, but everything seems expensive. I'm buying only what I need so I don't spend too much. I'm heading home and I'm thinking about dinner. I'm cooking something simple because I'm tired. I'm eating slowly so I can enjoy my food. I'm washing the dishes while I listen to music. I'm relaxing now because my day was long. I'm watching a show and I'm trying not to fall asleep. I'm texting my friend while I watch TV. I'm laughing because the show is funny. I'm thinking about tomorrow and what I need to do. I'm checking my phone again because I missed a message. I'm replying slowly because I'm thinking of the right words. I'm charging my phone because the battery is low. I'm taking a shower so I can feel fresh. I'm brushing my teeth because I'm getting ready for bed. I'm going to bed, but I want to scroll a bit. I'm trying to sleep although my mind is busy. I'm waking up again because I forgot to turn off the light. I'm closing my eyes and I'm hoping to sleep fast. I'm listening to the rain and it helps me relax. I'm waking up early because I have a lot to do. I'm packing my bag while I drink water. I'm leaving the house and hoping traffic is good. I'm walking fast because I don't want to be late. I'm thinking of breakfast because I didn't eat yet. I'm waiting for my friend because we're going together. I'm checking the time, but they're still not here. I'm calling them because they might be close. I'm waving at them because I finally see them. I'm talking to them while we walk. I'm laughing because they told a funny story. I'm grabbing a drink because I'm thirsty. I'm paying for it, although I don't have much cash. I'm sitting down because my legs are tired. I'm taking a photo while the light looks good. I'm sending the photo because my friend asked for it. I'm listening carefully because the conversation is important. I'm giving my opinion, although I'm not sure. I'm trying to understand, but the topic is new. I'm nodding because that helps me focus. I'm asking questions so I can learn more. I'm thinking deeply, although it's a simple problem. I'm sharing my ideas because they asked. I'm smiling because the talk is going well. I'm ending the chat because I need to go. I'm opening the door and the air feels nice. I'm walking slowly because I'm enjoying the moment. I'm checking my steps because I'm counting them today. I'm grabbing some snacks because I got hungry. I'm eating while I wait for my ride. I'm getting in the car and putting on my seatbelt. I'm enjoying the music, although I don't know the song. I'm looking out the window and thinking about life. I'm getting off now because this is my stop. I'm saying bye because I need to head home. I'm taking off my shoes because my feet hurt. I'm sitting on the couch and breathing out. I'm checking my messages although I'm tired. I'm planning my next day while I still have energy. I'm writing a note so I don't forget later. I'm cleaning my room because it looks messy. I'm folding my clothes while I watch a video. I'm putting things away because I want a clean space. I'm turning on a soft light because it feels peaceful. I'm lying down but I want to relax a bit more. I'm stretching because my back feels tight. I'm drinking water so I stay hydrated. I'm thinking quietly, although nothing is wrong. I'm checking the weather because I need to prepare. I'm texting goodnight because it's late. I'm closing my app so I don't get distracted. I'm turning off the lights because it's bedtime. I'm adjusting my pillow so I can sleep better. I'm relaxing my body and slowing my breath. I'm ending my day and I'm thankful for everything. That's a wrap for today. See you in the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe.